Once a year, place a sponge inside the shower hose. A plumber taught me this trick. It's the best way to keep your shower working for many years. First, unscrew the hose from the shower head. To do this, loosen the nut at the very end. You can do it by hand. At first glance, you'll notice that limescale and sludge accumulate inside. Next, prepare a regular kitchen sponge. This will be the secret tool needed for this trick. Using scissors, cut off a piece of the sponge. It's important that it's thin. Remove the rough side and trim the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place it in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it. Vinegar has descaling and cleaning properties. Let it soak for a few seconds. Now, push the soaked sponge inside the shower hose. Use a stick to help fit it all the way in. Then, reattach the hose to the shower and turn on the water. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out all the built-up limescale and dirt that has accumulated over the years. These are the particles that usually come out with the water during showers. This sponge trick will clean the hose thoroughly. Limescale, dirt, and even mold can also build up in the shower head. To remove it, put a tablespoon of baking soda inside the shower head, then pour in a little vinegar. Prepare a sealed bag and pour in 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of warm water. Place the shower head inside and tie the bag securely, ensuring it is fully submerged in the liquid. The chemical reaction will cause the limescale to detach from the surface. Leave it for half an hour. After this time, you'll see floating bits of limescale in the bag. Reattach the shower head to the hose and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. With this simple method, you'll deep clean your shower. Limescale won't build up as quickly, and your shower will last much longer.